Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to remove mold or mildew from the exterior of your house. You will see here mold that is on the vinyl. This is the exterior of the house. It's very easy. What I use this product. It's called Mold Armor Easy House Wash. It's available at your Lowe's or Home Depot stores or any other hardware store. I use it as it is. Use that in a good sprayer, just like that. Pump it up, have it pressurized, and spray it directly onto your vinyl. You may want to test out a small area before you do it all over. Spray just like that. You don't really need to scrub or anything. Spray like that all over the vinyl. Leave it for 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, you can see some of the mold is already gone. I haven't sprayed water yet, but all you need to do after 10 minutes is to take a hose pipe and give it a thorough rinse, just like that. If the mold is stuck hard, you may want to do a second round of application or a little scrub, but otherwise, look at here, it got cleaned so well. I did not have to scrub. It's just with the first application. I just did this part of the house. You see, it's so nice. I'll show you the other side, which still has mold. You can compare and see. You see on this side, you see there is still a lot of mold and mildew. But on the other side, it's gone, perfectly clean. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side and rinse it with water. That's what I just now did. I'm rinsing it with water now. You see how clean and shiny it has become. Friends, thanks for watching. It's very easy. Any questions, post a comment and I'll reply to you as soon as possible.